In this video, we are going to look at how to create a WhatsApp channel. One of the reasons why you should create a WhatsApp channel is that it will help you grow your social media followers and also help you better sell your products and services. Before we start, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you become part of our YouTube family for free. Like this video and write in the comment section start. Just type start, then I'll start with the tutorials. I'm waiting for you. Just write start. For you to create your channel, you'll need to launch your WhatsApp. So you quickly click to open your WhatsApp. So this is the interface of my WhatsApp. Mind you, you need to update your WhatsApp. If you have not updated your WhatsApp, you cannot see this feature I'm going to show you. So if you have not updated your WhatsApp, quickly go to Play Store and then you update your WhatsApp. So after updating your WhatsApp, you get to see chats here, you see calls, you see updates. So what I want you to do is to click on the update. You click on update. When you click on update, you'll see your status. Yes, so on top right hand corner you see 3 dots. That is if you are using iPhone, you see 3 dots here. So you can see the 3 dots. So I want you to click on that 3 dots. When you click on it, you'll see create channel. Create channel. Create channel. So you click on create channel. When you click on create channel, then you can see create a channel to reach unlimited followers. Like I said, you get to get more followers. So you click on continue. When you click on continue, they are asking you what name do you want to name your channel. So I'm going to name my channel as Money Literate Academy. So after naming your channel, then you have to add a picture. If you want to add a picture to your channel, you click on the picture icon. You click to add a picture. So I'm going to pick the picture from my gallery. So I click on gallery. It will take you to your gallery. So then you search for the picture you want to use. You search for the picture you want to use as your channel DP. So I have my picture here. So I'm going to use this Money Literate. Then you click on done. When you click on done, our picture has been set. So now here you are going to describe your channel, including a description which is useful for your followers. So you describe what is your channel all about. So you describe everything here. So this channel is here to help you learn more skills and make money. So here you are supposed to describe everything you are going to be doing on your channel. For this tutorial sake, I'll just leave it here. So you can describe more. You can describe more. So when you finish, you click on create channel. You click on create channel. Voila, our channel has been created. Our channel has been created. So now what you need to do is to copy your channel link and share it to people for them to follow your channel. When you share the link to people and then they click on the link and then they follow, all what you are going to be doing on this channel, those people are going to be seeing. Anything you are selling, those people are going to be seen. So this channel is just like a broadcast. So you are going to send one message to a lot of people, anybody who has followed your channel. So you see this. you click on it. When you click on it, so our main purpose is to copy the link. So this is the link. So we have copy link. So you can copy, click to copy. So the link is copied. So you can go back and then, so this is the link. So you can write a copy, anything that will attract people to follow your channel. So I'm just going to write, follow this channel to learn more about money. Click on the link to follow my channel. Now for more updates. So when you finish with this, then you copy the whole thing with the link. So you copy or you cut, then you go and then you share it to people. So you can share to people just like this. So you see, I'm sharing it to people. You can go to your status. So I have my status here. Then you can share it on your status for people to click on your link, on your channel link. So then you paste. So you see, so anybody that clicks on your link and then follow you, then you go to your channel and write anything at all, those people are going to see your message. If you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video and then leave a comment. Just type, "Thank you so much for the video." I want you to type, "Thank you so much for this video."